Thai pronouns and is the most confusing. So I'm going to try to make it as clear and as easy as possible for you guys to understand. Let's go. First one, pom means I, myself. If you're male, you use pom. If you're female, you don't use pom. Do not use pom if you're female, unless you identify yourself as a man. Then you can use pom. Okay? Next one, chan, for describing or identify yourself if you're male or female. Both can use chan. So if you're a guy, you can use chan if you want. If you're a female, you can use chan. It's all good. Okay, next one is khao. Khao or khao. You know, it's almost the same word. You don't care, it don't matter. It means the same thing almost. If you're talking about another person, the third person, it's like him or her or them. If you try to address someone that in third person, you can call them khao. Khao means her, him, them. Next one, kun. Kun means you. Kun, you. All right, that's pretty easy, you know. So when you address someone, you can address them by their name or call them kun. Rao, or lao. If you don't want to use the R sound, just use an L instead. Lao, rao. Okay, means us. We is including yourself as well. We are traveling to Thailand. เราไปเมืองไทย พวกเรา means us, all of us here. As a big group is พวกเรา Next one is พวกเขา or พวกเขา okay, means them. A big group over there. พวกเขา You're talking about, you're gossiping about that group over there. Next one is มัน It means it, describing something that is not living, inanimate object. Like, you know, I think is a lot of people use that towards animals, which I totally disagree with. I wouldn't use it towards animal, even though a lot of people use it towards animal. I think animal should be called him or her, you know. That's just me, because they are living. They have a feeling as well. And I don't call your child it, because we love animal, right? So if you love animal, I wouldn't call them it. Yeah, anyway, move on. So if you're among best friends, your childhood friends, or you become a really good friends that you're hanging out all the time, just like best friend. You can call the guy, you can call Mung. Mung means you, but as a warning though, I wouldn't use that word if you want to go call some stranger Mung, because that can be very offensive and it can lead to a fight. It can be a very rude word to use, okay? Gu means I, myself, I. I wouldn't use that neither, unless you are best friends or someone you grew up together or someone very, very close. But if you're not close to that person, I wouldn't use it at all. People often use it when they're in an argument. They're going up for blood or whatever, right? So, but it's good to know. Th means you as well. Usually among friends, you know, or someone that's younger than you. For instance, the teacher calling a student, th, or พวกเธอ means all of you haven't done your homework. The teacher calling a student, เธอ Next one, พวกเขา พวกเขา means them over there. You can use as a group of people. They have a car accident. A group of people just standing around. You try to tell your friend, hey, look, พวกเขา means them, that group over there. All right? หนู You can use that to address someone that much younger than you, like a kid, just a little child, little kid, teens and stuff. But anyone that, you know, like your same age or older, I wouldn't call them new. If you're just traveling through, or just you're going to be there for a week, you don't need to learn all this stuff. It's just nonsense, okay? But if you want to basically move to Thailand or be retired in Thailand or start a family or You know, I don't know, just to move there in general. It's good to know if you somehow address someone using a wrong word, it can be offensive. If you like this kind of content, my name is Bodo, and I will see you next time. Peace.